To host a web application on AWS, I'd kick things off by launching an EC2 instance, which is like my virtual server powerhouse. Choosing the right instance type is crucial. I consider the memory and CPU needs of my app. Once that's set, I configure security groups to allow HTTP and HTTPS traffic, making sure my web app is accessible to users. For data storage, S3 is my go-to. I'd create a bucket for files like images and documents, setting permissions to keep everything secure. Then, I'd dive into IAM to manage access, creating roles and policies that enforce the principle of least privilege. This way, my web server and users only access what they need. With EC2, S3, and IAM, I'm all set to deploy a scalable and secure web application on AWS.